Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best Valentine's Day decorations are probably one of the most exciting ways to infuse your home with love and festivity, transforming ordinary spaces into romantic retreats that capture the spirit of this special occasion. From charming fairy lights that cast a warm, inviting glow to elegant banners that proudly proclaim your affection, these carefully chosen adornments set the mood for unforgettable moments, whether you're planning an intimate dinner for two or a lively celebration with loved ones. They are the silent storytellers of your affection, weaving a tapestry of romance that enhances every aspect of your Valentine's Day experience, making it truly magical and memorable. Number 5. Pink Heart Neon Sign. Add a touch of romance to any room with this soft pink glow. It creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere, perfect for bedrooms and living areas. This light is a wonderful addition to celebrations like Valentine's Day, weddings, and anniversaries. It's also ideal for proposals and Mother's Day. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This heart light is an excellent choice for girlfriends, wives, and friends to show your affection. Power it up easily using the included USB cable or 3AA batteries. You can place it anywhere you like, thanks to its flexible power choices. With a convenient hole for hanging, you can easily mount it on a wall or place it on a table. Decorating your space has never been simpler. Crafted from high-quality plastic, this sign is built to last and is safe to use. Enjoy its bright illumination without any worries. What we like? This neon heart light creates a wonderfully romantic and cozy atmosphere. It offers the flexibility of USB or battery power, making it easy to place anywhere. If you're looking to add a soft, ambient glow to a bedroom or create a special mood for an anniversary, this is a fantastic choice. What people say? It adds a fun pop of color to my desk and is perfect for the Valentine's Day season. The colors are bright and vibrant. It is battery operated and has a plug-in for USB as well. Very bright and works great. Number 4. Fun Express Valentine Wacky Faces Stationery. Get ready for some Valentine's Day fun. These wacky faces are perfect for parties and sharing with friends. They're not just fun to look at, they're also fun to wear. Spread the smiles and laughter with these unique accessories. You'll receive a variety of assorted designs to keep the excitement going. Each one is sure to bring a smile. Made from quality paper, these are durable and ready for all your Valentine's Day activities. They're designed for enjoyment. With 32 pieces in every unit, you'll have plenty to go around. It's a fantastic value for your celebration. Measuring 512 by 414 inches, they're the ideal size for party favors or as a special note. Easy to hand out and enjoy. What we like? These wacky faces are a fun and engaging way to add a playful element to your Valentine's Day exchanges. They are perfect for party favors or as a unique addition to cards. If you're looking for a lighthearted and amusing way for kids or friends to share Valentine's greetings, these are ideal. What people say? This is a great set of Valentine's Day decorations. The decorations are very festive and add a nice touch to the room. The quality of the materials is good and they seem durable. Number 3. KatchOn Felt Heart Garland, Pack of 40. Looking for a unique and romantic touch for your decorations? This beautiful felt heart garland is perfect for adding a sweet and charming atmosphere to any special occasion. Forget the hassle of assembly. This garland comes pre-strung and ready to hang, making your decorating process quick and effortless. It's also durable and reusable for many celebrations to come. Each garland stretches to 8 feet, featuring 40 felt hearts in lovely shades of red and pink. The heart cutouts are generously sized, adding a vibrant and classy style to your party space. Save time, energy, and money with this reusable garland. It's a sturdy and durable option that can be used for various events, providing an inexpensive yet classy addition to your decor. Made with grade A felt quality, this garland is designed to help you express your affection with confidence and happiness. It's the perfect way to complete your romantic decorations and bring a smile to your loved one's face. Whether it's an engagement, wedding, anniversary, or just a special night, this charming heart banner is ideal for creating a memorable and romantic ambience. What we like? This pre-assembled felt heart garland offers a charming and effortless way to decorate. It's durable, reusable, and adds a lovely touch of color to any romantic setting. If you want a quick and elegant decoration for a party, wedding, or even just to brighten up a room, this garland is a great pick. What people say. The cord allows for adjusting the length to fit your needs, and the little hearts were a thick quality of felt that looked solid. Easy to space out how I needed and held up great. The hearts are sturdy and adorable. Dress up a mantle. Number 2. Valentine's Day Coloring Book for Kids. Looking for a fun and engaging activity for your little ones this Valentine's Day? This coloring book is packed with adorable images perfect for young artists. Inside, you'll discover 30 unique and charming illustrations designed to spark joy. It's a wonderful way to celebrate the season of love. From sweethearts and delightful treats to playful cherubs and cute animals, there's something for everyone to color. Let their imaginations run wild. Measuring 8.5 by 11 inches, the pages are generously sized for easy coloring. This provides ample space for creativity and detailed artwork. Keep them entertained for hours with this delightful coloring book. It's a perfect gift or a fun way to spend a cozy afternoon together. Surprise your child with a gift that encourages creativity and celebrates Valentine's Day. It's an ideal present for any young artist. What we like. This coloring book is filled with adorable and festive Valentine's Day themed images. It provides hours of creative fun for children. If you're looking for a quiet, engaging activity for kids during the Valentine's season, this coloring book is a perfect fit. What people say. This was part of a Valentine's gift for a 7-year-old. I paired it with crayons and other goodies. I loved the coloring book. I know she will love it as well. Was a great Valentine's gift, kids loved it. Number 1. Bonropin Valentine's Day Rose Gold Pink Heart Balloon Kit. Make this Valentine's Day truly special with our exquisite balloon kit. It's designed to help you create a romantic and memorable celebration for your loved one. This comprehensive package includes a generous assortment of pastel pink and rose gold balloons, elegant heart shapes, and a charming "I Love You" banner. You'll also find everything needed for assembly, ensuring a stunning display. Crafted from high-quality, durable latex, these balloons are built to impress. They are designed to maintain their shape and beauty throughout your event. Beyond Valentine's Day, this set is perfect for anniversaries, weddings, or any event where you want to express your love. Add a touch of romance to any special moment. Included are 200 artificial rose petals, made from soft, non-fading fabric. Scatter them to instantly elevate the romantic ambience of your celebration. Setting up your beautiful decorations is a breeze with the included balloon glue and ribbon. Refer to our product images for easy arrangement ideas and achieve a professional look effortlessly. What we like. This comprehensive balloon kit provides everything you need to create a stunning romantic display. With balloons, "I Love You" lettering, and a generous amount of rose petals, it sets a perfect mood. If you're aiming for a grand romantic gesture for Valentine's Day, an anniversary, or a special night, this kit will help you achieve a beautiful effect. What people say. The balloons are a good size and hold air well. The banner is made of durable material and the colors are vibrant. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.